Today, we're crafting tiny resin tokens inspired by the forest spirits known as the Watchers. Welcome back to my cozy corner of the woods. I'm Jessica, and this is Craft Plus Lore, where every handmade piece carries a story from the lost woods. For this project, you'll need resin, a small mold of some sort, and tiny natural elements like petals, moss, or anything that the forest might leave behind. In the Lost Woods, there are stories about small spirits called the Watchers. They're not dangerous, no, no, they're not dangerous at all. They're just, well, they're just curious, quiet little guardians who keep an eye on the travelers and watch over the forest. Elowen wrote about them in her diary. She says they were curious little creatures, kind of cute, but when you look at them, they seemed a bit shy. She said they left little tokens, just like this, on her windowsill. Gifts, maybe, or rather, warnings. While I'm sitting here in nature, I like to imagine the Watchers just going around the forest, collecting bits and pieces that the woods have to offer. Maybe a fallen petal, a disregarded twig, a little bit of moss, or even a scrap of bark, and anything else that these curious little creatures can find, and sealing them into little charms that look like this. Elowen, yeah, she found 3 of them near her cabin, each slightly different, each one warm to the touch, as if it was recently held. Some say the Watchers guide lost travelers back to the path of safety. Others say they lead you deeper, depending on what the forest wants. Elowen, she once wrote that she felt watched, but not in a frightening way. No, more like the woods were curious about her. When the resin cures, the tokens, well, they look like something the forest itself made, a tiny memory sealed in glass. I'm adding a tiny charm, one Elowen had sketched beside her notes about the Watchers. She said it meant seen. Not in a threatening way, no. No, she never felt threatened. She just felt acknowledged. When we found Elowen's diary, one of these tiny little tokens was tucked in between the pages, still warm, as if someone had just placed it there. And here it is, a Watcher's token, a small piece of the forest's curiosity. So, next time you're alone in the woods and you feel like you're being watched, well, it just might be a Watcher leaving you its token. If you've enjoyed this blend of crafting and folklore, let me know. Next time, We'll explore another object from Elowen's diary and another secret the forest has been keeping.